you have to simply press Ctrl T so that it will copy. Where is this? This one, yes. If you select red color, then we can see some employees are here which is inactive. Hello friends, today's topic is filter. Okay, then what is filter? By filter you can select the data category wise if you want, and if there are any error you can find it easily. So how will I apply filter? Now see, I'm starting now. To apply the filter, first of all you have to select heading. Okay, any one heading you have to select, then go to the data, then click on the filter option under sort and filter group. Okay, this is the one way to set the filter. Now you can see the filter is set in each and every headings till the last one, and there is another option. If I'm clearing filter now, there's another option. You can select any heading and just you have to press the shortcut key Ctrl Shift L. The same thing you can see in each and every headings has their own filter. Okay, now how do you use this one? Suppose do you want a particular department wise employee, do you want to know how many employees are there in finance? So you have to just click. You can see there is an arrow in each heading. This is the filter. Okay, you have to click this arrow and you have to uncheck all, select on. You have to click on select all so that it will be unchecked. Okay, and then you have to check the finance here, then click on OK. Now you can see how many employees are there in finance. It is 18. Okay, it is so easy. Now if you want to know how many are permanent in finance department, so in employee type you can click here in filter and you can click on permanent and click on OK. Now you can see it is 13 only is permanent. Okay, if you want to clear this filter, just you have to click on filter option and you can clear from here. But if you will clear from here, the only this column will be cleared from the filter, but this employee type it is not cleared from here. So you have to separately, you have to clear from here also. If you don't know that where it is applied, suppose you don't know how many columns are applied filter and you have to clear all the filter, then another option is you have to go to the data and certain filter option, then again you have to clear from here so that it will be cleared from all the columns at once. Okay, suppose you want to know how many drivers are there. If you will click on designation, you will see many data are there, so it is difficult to find driver. So what will you do? Just click here, simply type here driver, driver, so it will be checked automatically driver. Now click OK. Now you can see how many drivers are here, 13. Okay, now suppose you want to check gender. You can see here there are some males and females are there, but you want to select only males. So what will you do? We have to uncheck select all, then you have to click on male option, then you have to click OK. Now we can see it is male is showing, but the data is different. Sometimes it is M, sometimes it is male full form. So we want to make the data unique. So what will you do? Just click on the first row what is written, then you have to press Shift Control and down so that all the data will be selected. Then you can press Ctrl D so that it will be copied, which is here in the first column, sorry, in the first cell. That one will be copied in the each cell. Okay, the same thing you can do here with female also. Now you can see it is male is unique, only once it is written here. Okay, same thing you want to do with female. Just you can uncheck this male, all females are selected, and uncheck the blank also. Okay, now click, you can see that here is some full form is written, somewhere it is F if you want to edit and write by double clicking here, but you can see there's different thing, somewhere it is space is given, somewhere is spelling error. So simply write the correct one at the first cell and you have to press Shift Control down button so that it will be selected up to last, and then you have to simply press Control T so that it will copy at once. Okay, now see it is also unique female. Okay, now we can clear from here. Simple. Now you can filter by color also. Suppose you will click any cells. If you want to filter by color, you can select any heading. You can go filter by color, where you can see there are one red color, one no fill color. If you select red color, then you can see some employees are here which is inactive and given as a red color. Okay, and if you will select no fill, then you will see all the active person are here which is not colored by the red. Okay, another thing, I'm clearing this one. Another thing, if you want to mention resigned and not resigned for the active and inactive person, simply we can select from here and we can check the inactive, click OK, and you can write resigned. Okay, and select all the column and press Ctrl D. Now you can clear. Here, see, it is resigned and one is blank. If you want to fill the blank one is not resigned because it is active, so we have to uncheck the resigned, click OK. Now only active will be shown here. Now you have to write here not resigned, INOT, not resigned. I'm going here at down by pressing Ctrl and down arrow. Now see, I have to select this column total by pressing Ctrl Shift and up arrow. Then I have to press Ctrl D, so that it will be copied to each cells. Now I'm clearing this filter. Now you can see here not resigned and resigned. Okay, now if I will check that if there is any gap or not, sorry, if there is any blank or not, okay, then I'm clicking, I'm checking, here is no blank, there is no blank. Okay, but here I show, here I noticed one blank. Okay, I have to fill this one. So what will I do? I have to uncheck all this thing and I have to select the blank one, then okay. Now see, it is blank, not where is this, this one, yes, it is blanked. And what is this? We have to check, it is Prince Jacob and then Dilip Kumar. So first one is female, so I have to write the female, FEMALE. Second one is male. Okay, now clear. See, there is no blank here. Okay, in this line there is nothing, all is blank, no data is there, all is blank. So I can remove Control and minus. Okay, now you know the use of filter option, and that's all. Thank you, tata, bye bye, good night.